Guys, we are here still in Mykonos. It's going down, man. Guys, we're in Mykonos, man. And back to Mykonos in Greece. Yeah. Now is around 9 o'clock here, but the sunset has just now disappear. Guys, here is long night than the day. So normally the sunset was going down around 9 o'clock, above like 9:30, 9:50, 9:20. This loop is going down, guys. I will show you. I'll just do the jogging here right now. Yeah, look at this, and see how tough is this, man. This is the stairs. You need to go down there, over there, a zigzag. Yeah, you can see it's over there, bro. Yeah, and you can see the cruise line there. Yeah, and I think we have one more cruise ship there in the corner. See, it's partner. Sometimes it's 5 big cruise ship here, 2 big, 1 giant, and 3 like this. Yeah, this island is a tourist island, so we're expecting guys here. It's much expensive here. Yeah, so see that. This is the one I started going down, guys. As you can see here, over there, this one is the cruise ship. This is like medium to large size, but the 2 giant, I saw it before. Where I saw it before, it was there on the corner. It was there in the corner there. It's hiding there because this island is island of the wind. That's why they're hiding in the mountain. The cruise ship, the tall one, guys. So it's nice to see you guys, and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you.